for teaching me how to love, showing me what the world needs, what I've been dreaming of. And now I know there is nothing that I could not do. For teaching me how to feel my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I've got is what I ever hoped for. And the gun what I hope for is there. No mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no from grace can stop me from believing that my love will pull me through. Thanks to be my only enemy and never let me be free, touching me in places that I knew I shouldn't be. Every day I crossed the line, I didn't mean to be so bad. I never thought you would become the friend I ever had. But then I didn't know why you were raised up so now I see through your eyes all that you gave was love. Mama, I love you. Mama, I care. Mama, I love you. Mama, my friend, you're my friend. Ako'y nagagalak dahil nakilala ko ang sarong ina na mabuot sa iyang mga aki at sa iyang mga apo. Ma, many happy returns of the day. Salamat sa gabos na lang ng sakripisyo daw uba tuyang time na dai kita nagkakaintindihan. Kung uwa ka man kung problema, yaon lang po ako, diti para sa imo tuyo suporta. Ngunya na aldaw, dawak mayo na sa tuya si Papa, gusto ko iparana sa imo ang samuyang pagpapadangat. Again, happy birthday ma, more birthdays to come and always keep safe. Love, Junar, Jonah, and Asia. So, ngunyan po ma'am, di ba po hindi nagtatapos ang sorpresa me? Ano po?
May bonus po
May,
ma'am.
may bonus pa po kami sa imo ma'am, sapagkat kay bahan mi po si Santa Claus!
thank you very much sa kabos.
Eh, kung ni Aram, surprise na nais. Pero salamat sa mga ate ko. Salamat naman ay. Eh, kung naman lang nangyari sa ko. Salamat naman ay. Bayo na sila panunod.
Kasi ano mong message mo kay ma'am?
Ay sa kuya, sa hipag ko, thank you very much sa kabos na nagsumunod sa muya. At least, napagmasa kong hipag masigaran ng tugang ko. Yan lang po ang inagad ko. Thank you very much. So, very special moment.